Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not providing buy or sell recommendations. I'm just giving you my opinions. Please do your own research before investing.
Hey guys, Emeka aka On One back again today to talk about another initial coin offering that is about to end, and I think that you guys should know about it. This one is called the Worldwide Asset Exchange. That is the website up there. So what is WAX? Well, it is a decentralized marketplace for video game skins. What are video game skins? It is basically changing the look and feel of a video game. I know I used to make video games and I used to actually buy the code and then change the graphics and reuse the video game on the App Store. Changing the graphics is essentially just changing the skin of the game. All the functionality is the same. If it's a game where a guy is running through the street and punching people, I can change the skin of the game, and instead of a guy running through the street, it's a woman running through the classroom. But everything is the same. All the functionality is the same. So people like to trade these skins online, especially people in the video games community, and it's a big business. So the company implementing this ICO are called Opskins, and they are actually the largest marketplace in the world for trading these digital virtual assets. They on their own get about 200,000 new users every month. So it's a pretty big business on its own. And I think I read something somewhere that the CIO mentioned that they've had 150 million transactions in the last 18 months that go through that central marketplace. Now these transactions, the average price of these transactions are around $20, but they do have some skins that go as high as in the thousands of dollars, as well as some that are pennies. So it's already a very profitable thing to trade video game skins. And now they're taking it one step further by creating a decentralized marketplace. Now I'm still a little confused as to why Opskins, that is the people who created the central marketplace, would want to create a decentralized marketplace. It seems like to me they would be cannibalizing their own business. It would be the same thing to me if YouTube decided to come up with a decentralized video platform. Why would YouTube do that? They'd be giving away their power. So I'm a little confused why Opskins are the ones that are doing this, but I guess they're doing it to, well, they're raising money through an ICO, so I guess they're using it to raise funds, so I guess that makes sense. They're raising money. I think they've raised about $45 million already, so yeah, that could be the reason why they're cannibalizing their own business, because that's essentially what I think they're doing. They're creating a decentralized network, which would lead to making it easier for people like us to trade skins of virtual assets, to be able to trade them cross borders, to have our fees a lot lower, to not have to deal with issues where payments get returned and hackers hack your payment. So I can see the value to the consumer. I don't really see the value to Opskins themselves, except that they're using it to raise funds to fund their business. So I guess it's a win-win for everybody. So the ICO for this one ends in 7 days. There's a lot of hype around this. I'm not even going to really look at the team because, like I said, this is an established company in the marketplace already, so I know they will know how to do this. In order to buy into this ICO, you need to use Ethereum, and you have to make sure that you have a wallet that is compatible with the ERC20 Ethereum token standard. One thing I'm not too chipper about is the fact that it's slated to launch Q4 of 2018. And it doesn't look as if it will be operating on all cylinders until Q3 of 2019. So you might have to wait a bit to see the value of your investment in this one. So one final thing I like to look at when it comes to these ICOs, especially in these days, is you got to look at the legal parts. And I just went through some of their terms of service, and there is some language in there that basically says you waive your rights to class action lawsuits and to a court trial. So any problems you have with the company, you're going to have to deal with it in arbitration, and it'll be handled in the Cayman Islands. So I don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing, but it's important for you to actually read the legal parts before you invest in anything. I know that right now there's 2 class action lawsuits against Tezos, which was the largest ICO. Earlier in the year, they raised $232 million, and now there's 2 class action lawsuits against them. It seems like from this that they're basically saying you will not be able to take them to court. You will not be able to bring a class action lawsuit against them. I don't know. I'm not a lawyer, so I would say definitely do your own research. There's a lot of risk involved in investing in ICOs, so do your own research. And I'm just giving you my opinions based on what I think. So anyway, that's it. That's the Worldwide Asset Exchange ICO. A link to this ICO will be in the description below. My name is On One. Thanks for watching.